Introducing the Kiam GutterVac gutter cleaning system, the revolutionary new way to safely clean out those leaf and debris-packed gutters. Simply plug in the vacuum, turn on each of the 3 powerful 1200 watt motors and start safely and quickly cleaning gutters from the safety of the ground. The Kiam GutterVac makes gutter cleaning easier than ever and is truly a workhorse of a machine. Clean more thoroughly than ever before without having to worry about the safety of yourself or your employees. The 3 individual motors combine to make 3,600 watts of industrial strength cleaning power that is capable of continuously maintaining a forceful suction. Lightweight and easy to use, the aircraft grade aluminium pole extensions let anyone easily manoeuvre around those hard to reach areas. The optional carry bag makes them easy to pack up and move around and store. And with a 10 metre power cable and a 5 metre vacuum hose, you never have to worry about moving your kit. The Gutter ProVac system instantly sets you apart from the competition with the ability to do a typical tough and time-consuming job safely, quickly and easily. With a variety of systems, you can choose the set that's perfect for you. The Kiam GutterVac features a durable heavy-grade stainless steel tank that tips on an axis, allowing you to easily empty the leaves, water and debris. Depending on your conditions, you can remove the dust filter for wet pickup, and you can keep the machine from moving by locking the front casters. With a reinforced tubular steel chassis, the Gutter ProVac is solid and strong. With the Kiam GutterVac, you get ultimate cleaning power and our industry-leading comprehensive 12-month guarantee. For an even more revolutionary experience, you can get our wireless gutter inspection camera. This tool gives you a view of the nozzle and gutters from the safety of the ground. You can record before and after shots, producing videos that you can send to your clients. Your Kiam poles and accessories can be carried in the heavy-duty hold-all with carry handle and shoulder strap. The Kiam GutterVac. Clean from the safety of the ground with the Kiam GutterVac system.